The reality of global environmental issues such as climate change is becoming increasingly clear. We acknowledge that as a global company, we have a significant environmental impact and are working actively on developing ways to reduce this impact.
In Sony Europe, I'm passionate about making a positive contribution to the environment and the sustainability of our planet. I know that our people are passionate too, and that we will all continue to work together to build on that great steps we have already taken in Europe to make an even more significant difference. To help everybody understand our progress in the future, we are going to communicate under our 3 Ps strategy, where we will tell you about our initiatives under the headings product, process, and planet.
Product. Product describes our efforts to make our current and future products more environmentally responsible. Throughout our entire product range, Sony has invested heavily in life cycle analysis, a process that investigates the environmental impacts of products throughout their life, from design through to disposal. The knowledge from this has significantly helped us in developing more environmentally responsible products. In 2007, for example, nearly 90% of Sony products achieved reductions in energy consumption. Most impressive, perhaps, is our flagship range of energy-efficient Bravia televisions, one of which has led to us being awarded the European Imaging and Sound Association 2007 Green TV Award. All of these efforts have resulted in us becoming the first consumer electronics entertainment company to be awarded the European Commission's 2007 Sustainable Energy Europe Award. Sony will continue to develop their technologies in order to make their products even more environmentally responsible. Process. Process describes the things that we are doing internally to make our processes more efficient and environmentally friendly. In Sony's factories, for example, over 87% of factory waste is either recycled or reused, and in some factories this figure is 99%. Sony has also signed up to renewable energy schemes, which have significantly helped to reduce the carbon emissions from its factories and manufacturing sites. 9 European sites are now fully powered by renewable energy. Planet. Planet describes the wider environmental initiatives being undertaken by Sony to reduce both its direct and indirect impacts upon the planet.
Globally, we are committed to continuously increasing the volume of resources that we recover and reuse. As part of our efforts to help address the issue of climate change, in 2006 we joined the WWF's Climate Savers program. As part of this engagement, we committed to a significant reduction of greenhouse emissions by Sony sites and the development of a series of highly energy-efficient products. Sony is also cooperating with the WWF to raise consumer awareness of global warming prevention.
By joining the program, Sony has embraced its responsibility to do its fair share to solve the climate change problem. WWF and Sony agreed that Sony would reduce the CO2 emissions caused by its business operations, and that Sony will gain leadership in energy efficiency in its main product lines. We believe that Sony's commitment to develop world-class energy-efficient products illustrates how companies can help consumers to reduce their electricity consumption.
These are just a few examples of how we are using our business and technology to reduce our environmental impact. I'm excited and proud of what we are doing for the environment at Sony. You can find the product, process, planet information on the Sony Europe website. I look forward to sharing our progress.